Hello dear parents and students. In this video we are going to learn about the Taskify. With the help of Taskify, you will be able to submit your task to the respective teachers directly. So let's start. First of all, you all need to log in Edulytics. Then this login page will appear. Then you need to click on this menu option and then go to My Taskify. Once you click on My Taskify, then you will be able to see the task. So let's start. To see the task of your ward, you need to click on this menu option, then My Taskify. Once you click on My Taskify, then the available task will be visible in To Do tab. Okay, so right now we have two tasks. It is in blue color. The To Do button is in blue color. Means we have sufficient time to submit the task, or we didn't fail the timeline. As you can see on the screen, the submission date is 28th April 2021. Means we haven't failed the submission date. That is why it is in blue color. If we fail the submission date and time, then it will be changed in red color and it will show overdue. So I request the parent and student, please do not fail the timeline. Now you want to see the task, what task has been given by your respective teacher. Then you need to click on To Do button. Once you click on To Do, then this page will appear and here you can see the complete detail of your ward assignment and task. See the starting date, the starting date, subject teacher and the due date. And now you want to see that what task has been given by the teacher. It must be in this attachment area. In this attachment area you may find any kind of Word document, PDF document or any other file formats. So just you need to click on this link. Once you click on this link, then the task will be downloaded. Suppose you are using Edulytics in your mobile phone, the same option will appear. You need to click on this attachment, then this attachment will be downloaded in your mobile phone. In few cases we heard that the file is not opening. If you face that problem, then I suggest the parent to please rename those file names as .pdf or .docx. Then the file format will be fixed and then you will be able to see the file, the document. Right now I am using in laptop, so there is no any issue. Just I need to click here. Once I click, then the file will be open automatically and as per our wish we may download it or print it. Suppose I have completed my task and it's done. Now you have completed your task and you need to submit it to the respective teacher. So before that you need to create a PDF of those homeworks. In a simple manner, you need to click images in your mobile phone and make it a PDF. If you don't have any kind of PDF converter, so I prefer to please go to the Play Store and search Adobe Lens. Download it, and once you download, then try to click the task images through Adobe Lens. Then it will be saved as PDF directly, and you will be able to submit it in a very easy manner. Now our PDF is also ready, so we need to again log in the Edulytics, go to the Taskify, and then again the same task, click on to do. Once we click on to do, as you can see on the screen, we have attach button here, attach file. So we need to click on attach button. Once we click on attach, then this upload button will appear. You need to click here, and then you may upload any file. That file can be in JPEG, that file can be in Word, can be in PDF. In the starting phase, we may accept your JPEG, but try to upload your task in PDF format only. Suppose it is your task which you have clicked. We need to click open. It will take few seconds to upload. It is completely dependent on your internet speed or device speed. File which we have uploaded, the file name will be visible here, and if you want to upload more file, then you need to click on upload more. Once we click on upload more, then again it will ask the file, give a file location. Suppose it's our file. Open. Again it's uploaded. Now you want to see how many files you have uploaded. Then click on show all button. Then all uploaded files will be visible here. And again, if you want to re-verify that whether you have uploaded a correct file or not, then you need to click on the file name and click on preview. Okay. Now you have confirmed that the file is uploaded. Then click on close. Once we click on close, then it is disappeared. We have uploaded the files, but it is not submitted to the respective teacher yet. We have uploaded the attachment in our portal only. We haven't submitted the task to the teacher yet. Why? Let's see. To verify, please click on to do. Once we click on to do, then my attached files are visible here. Okay, but status is still showing pending. Why? Because we haven't submitted the task to the teacher. For that, we need to click on this mark as done button. Once we click on mark as done, the status will be changed, completed, and it means it is submitted to the respective teacher, and teacher can see our uploaded PDF. So it's so simple. The next part, as a parent, you must want to know that whether the teacher have checked or not, any feedback have given by the teacher, or any corrected document have been given by the teacher or not. For that also you need to log in the Taskify, visit the same area, and then if the teacher have given any feedback, then that feedback will be visible here in this section. If the teacher have given any marks, like they have taken a small test for 10 marks, 20 marks or 50 marks, whatever kind of test they have, if they have created, that marks will be visible in this area. And suppose if the teacher have uploaded any corrected notebooks, corrected documents, then that attachment will be visible in this area only. Okay, it is all about the Taskify. Thank you dear parents for watching this video completely. Thank you students. Keep learning, stay connected, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.